Hey there YouTube. Today is Saturday, the 19th day of October 2019, about 11:24 in the morning. And one thing I'll show you, look behind me back there, and you'll see some snow in the mountains finally for the first time this year, so that's cool. But I'm out here to do a test. And that test has got nothing to do with this GoPro 8, but hopefully I got Hyper Smooth on. I don't have the boost on, I just got Hyper Smooth on. And it should be good and steady, hopefully. Move around a little bit just to show you. But anyhow, here's what we're here for. We're here for this. What in the world is that? Do you know? If you've been deeply interested in the quadcopter world, then you know what this is. This is the Skydio R1. This is their original. Their Skydio 2 is not out, but I just picked this up a couple of days ago. Haven't flown it yet because of the weather. So this is truly its maiden voyage with me. I did buy it used off of a guy, but I did get to, he flew it a little bit, and then I just basically took it up and took it around and dropped it back down. But this will be my first official maiden flight since I've owned it. So what I'm going to do, if you ever watch my Evo videos, you know I brought my Evo here several times. This place right here will look very familiar to you. And the Evo failed miserably at trying to avoid this stuff and, you know, go around it, go over it, go through it, whatever, you know, that it's supposed to do all that. And it never did do any of it. If you see the screen, it says ready to fly. So we're going to hit fly now. Auto calibrating. It's showing the camera. Right there it is. And it's telling me to launch, and it says 100% green on the screen there. Hopefully you can see that. Slide up to take off. And there it goes. And there it goes. And it's going back a little bit. Okay. Now it's got me. Okay. Now it's really got me. You see me on the screen there? And you see that. So it's on follow. So let's get it. Just follow me. Now I'll kind of intersperse this. You can see the Skydio back there. Hopefully. We'll see it come through the swing here, hopefully. Okay, here it did come through it. Alright, now, the Evo could never do this. I tried to get it to do this. Oh yeah, Skydio went over that like a dream. Now, walk in between this pole here and this tree. And let's see how it does. Yeah, nothing I've ever had has been able to do this, so this is pretty cool. We got these trees here. Let me see, if I go this way, and then let me see. Alright, there it comes. It came over it. Alright, let's go back to the swings again. Oh my goodness. Cannot follow, it says. So the two swings messed it up. Interesting. I'm going to take it up. And there we go. Now follow me over. But it wasn't smart enough to go down on its own. I'm going to bring it down here some. Okay. And get it to follow me around this thing. So you can see it does that. Very good. All right. I'll tell you what. We'll go ahead and stop this. All right. Now let's see what it does here. You see it's trying to orbit me. It's going to miss the swing set. All right, here. We'll go ahead and stop this. Now, I'm going to put it back on follow. There you go, lead right there. Okay, now, let me just go this way. Oh, wow, it's running. Look at that. Okay. Now, I'm going to go through here. Wow, that thing flies crazy. Look at it with that tree. Oh. I hope they can see that volleyball net. Alright, now, let's see. Let's just turn around abruptly. Let's see. Should be flying around me. Yeah, there it goes. Okay, it definitely got the tree. Now, let's see. Okay, it's going to go over the little gym thing here. And let's see. Can it go through the swings? It did. All right. That's pretty cool. All right, and there we go. All right, we'll go ahead and stop this. Set this thing up for what they call a droney here. Okay. As I walk up, it should keep me and it does. Okay. Oh, now it's trying to leave me again. Alright, we'll just try a rocket here. And there it goes, straight up. It's keeping me in view. And now as I walk down, it's supposed to kind of keep me here. Here it comes. All right, we're going to go ahead, we're going to stop it, and we're going to land it. So let's do that. And there she goes. And Skydio is landing.